'Cause hi. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams. And if you're having a sense of deja vu of being here before, because I've actually done this video before. She likes that? Yeah. Okay. So he likes that. Again, having a sense of deja vu. Also, these things are great. God bless China. Zoe likes to bounce up and down on this. It's called, we call it Petunia. Hi, Petunia. So if you're having a sense of deja vu once again, it's because we have been here before. We are at Mike's Dauin Dive Resort down here in Dauin. It is Sunday. There was supposed to be a brownout today, but they canceled it. But we decided to come down anyways. It's right on the beach. It's very nice. It's got a pool and everything. A lot of people here right now having lunch and enjoying the pool. So these are the accommodations. We're paying 2,200 pesos, which is about 50 bucks US. The bed on the floor, because there's three of us. There's Chichai, there's me, and there's her sister, Janice. This is going to be Janice's bed and probably Zoe's bed. I'm not sure. Zoe might sleep on here. But you can see it's a nice king-size bed. Everything is well-maintained. Rattan throughout. So it's got like the continued theme. It's right out here is a porch. And we got some more seats out here. And it's just really nice, especially in the morning. Just sit here, relax. You got the sunrise over there. It's just a beautiful place. We enjoy it immensely. It's got a ceiling fan. It's got air conditioning, of course. It's got pictures of diving stuff. Again, I think they get this. I think a lot of this was made by the furniture builder on the Bukong Highway. Because this is good stuff, man. Good stuff. It's got a television. I think there's a refrigerator somewhere. I'm not sure. There might not be. There's a hot pot, because you need a hot pot to make your coffee. I bring my own 3-in-1. And they also give you some included, you know, sachets of sugar, creamer, coffee, instant coffee, that type of stuff. And the bathroom is very nice. It's a bathroom. I always forget to close the toilet seats. Water pressure is very good. Check it out real quick. Actually, I spoke too soon. What's going on with the water pressure? This could be a problem. I don't remember it like that. I remember it coming blasting out. Maybe I didn't turn it up high enough. There we go. That's a lot better. Yeah, it's good water pressure. Just had to let it build up a little bit. We got more rattan stuff in here. Safeguard Dove. You know, if you need shampoo or conditioner, which I don't. They also have, hey, how you doing? They also have a hair dryer, in case you need a hair dryer, which I don't, which is a nice touch. Doors have little dolphin motifs, which is always cute, like that. And it's a pretty open, airy experience. It's also got, I didn't notice this, a fire alarm. So in case of fire, you just pull. Everything's made of concrete though, so it'll probably be hard to burn down. So that's basically it. There's also chairs out here. Places for our luggage. We're only staying one night, so we don't have too much luggage. Kinsa siya. The people we did the $23,000 house build video on that went viral, it's gotten like 200,000 views. They're actually here today too. We haven't seen them for a little while. So we're gonna be hanging out with them, having dinner and stuff, probably breakfast, do some swimming, and enjoy the day. What?
Just I'll call them. I'll call John Lynn. Because they are in the other room.
Oh, they're over there?
Building, yeah, the last one.
Ah, they got the nice one. They're in the luxury suite down yonder.
But you want the...
You gotta tell her you got plants for her.
Hey! Hello!
Asaka!
Asa ka na nami diri. Diri mi sa ano.
Zoe likes looking at
pinakalas,
phones.
Ang beach view. Nakita naman si Daniel.
Yeah, we already saw him. Alright, so anyways, we're here and I'll do some type of vlog about it.
Naadi siya
See you in a
sa-
while.
sa-
Yep, it's all about keeping the baby happy. Yeah! This is a unicorn. Because she is a unicorn. She loves having water splashed on her face. I'm a water baby. I'm a water baby.
Oh. So early morning swimming.
It's a 7:30 swim.
She's so want to swim.
Keep me in the water. I like it. I'm a water baby. My unicorn. Her giant caveman feet. She got those from me. Yeah. Hey Zoe. Who's that? Who's your boyfriend? What's his name? Is that Rain?
With all your both floating.
Is that Rain, the chick boy?
The chick boy.
Uh-huh. Watch out for him, Zoe. He's gonna break your heart. Break your little heart.
He's smiling.
Yeah, I'm a chick boy. I know it. It's okay. Hey, when you're young, enjoy it, man. You're a free bird. I'm a free bird. And here is my family. They're not. She saw the pool and she wanted to check it out. Hey, Zoes, how you doing?
I want to go swimming again.
I'm ready to go in the water. She spent a lot of time in the water yesterday afternoon. She got
cranky.
because she got so tired. Yeah. She loves the water. She's a water baby. So we'll be hitting the pool before we leave.
She's a walrus.
She's a walrus. Even though the water was pretty cool, she's got all the built-in insulation, so it's no problem. You sleep all right?
Yeah, you?
Slept on the floor, yeah. Slept like a champ. I have a bad back, so I actually swapped places with Janice. So Janice slept up on the bed in Chichai with Zoe, and I slept on the thin mattress on the floor because it gave more support to my back. But enough of that. This is the pool. It's a nice pool. Again, if you want to come down here for a day, it's a good way to get away from the heat, the congestion, the chaos of the city. And as you can see with the car when we came in, that's our car. You basically got the resort to yourself. And it's another beautiful morning in Dauin. It's high tide. It's not a white sand beach, it's a brown sand beach, but I actually like the beaches at Dauin because as you see, they got these trees all along the beaches that give a good amount of shade. So you're coming down here, you got your little beach mat, you put your beach mat down and just enjoy the day. You got the breezes coming off the water. It's all good. That's probably the Miley Kate out there, the dive boat from Mike's. That probably hasn't moved in a long time. The only use that thing's getting is in the afternoon. All the neighborhood kids come down and they use that as a playground out there, which is actually pretty cool to see. You got Apple Island out there. Again, that means grandson in Tagalog. Filipino if you will. But yeah, I have a feeling, because I started swimming competitively when I was 8 years old. And as everybody knows, swimming is great exercise. It's a great way to meet people, make friends, and all that stuff. I started in the 8 and unders, and I eventually went on and made the New Hampshire state team. But then I decided to smoke, and that didn't work out that well. This is one of Zoe's favorite activities, is looking at the water. She could just do this for hours, man. Her diaper's already wet. We gotta put her waterproof diaper on later. Zoe, You ready to go swimming? One little, two little, three little Indians, four little, five little Indians, seven little, eight little, nine little Indians. Zoe,
Look at Daddy.
come on, give us some interaction here on our channel, yo. You gotta represent. What face is that? What face is that?
Serve me.
Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Ah. What's that? Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.